Hi everyone, this is Ivan. As you can see that this is the LEGO Ideas Explore Challenges page, and under this page currently there are three different challenges, which is the build the gift or purchase set and the building of a legend, as well as the if you could turn back time challenge. And if you can zoom in on the if you could turn back time challenge, these are the entries that are currently under the submission stage and will progress to the expert review in the following 6 days. As of press time, the entry have already been closed, so good luck to all the entries that have gone in. For myself, I have actually submitted 2 entries, and I'll be showing you in the following videos later. But let's have a quick browse through of what are the entries by the different participants. Here's a quick look at how it works. There are 4 phases, and the first phase is a submission phase. You need to build and submit an entry before the 9th of April this year, and they will always recommend you to submit the entry 3 to 5 days before the deadline if there's any back and forth changes required. But the second phase is a judging phase, whereby the judges, which comprise of an expert review by a panel of judges from the LEGO Ideas team, will select a maximum of 5 entries, and which will go into the fan vote favorite, and which will happen on the 16th of April. And subsequently there will be the voting phase and the winner's announcement at a later date, which is on the 14th of June. Now, some self-declaration. This video is going to be a very biased one, as I have 2 entries entered in this contest, this challenge. The first entry that I have entered in is the M.A.S.K, Rhino and Switchblade, which I've combined 2 leader class vehicle from my beloved franchise into 1 entry, and hopefully that it can go through the expert review. The second project that I've submitted for this challenge is a M.A.S.K Rhino on its own, which is the similar project which I've submitted under LEGO Ideas, which have gathered about 1,005 votes until it expired. So why do I need to submit 2? Is because I only know about this project 2 days before the deadline, and I was really rushing for all the revision and the submission to actually submit for this deadline, before this deadline. So I'm just happy that either one make it to the submission. There are some other notable entries which I would like to highlight. There are 2 Thundercats entries that I really love and is being featured here. One is by Zenith, and the other entry is by Nocturnal. So these 2 entries have captured the Thunder Tank really accurately, as well as shown all the different Thundercats characters in their true form, which I will really love to see as a project being successful. Another one of my favorite is the Castle in the Sky project, which have captured the iconic scene within the movie, and I would like to see it being made into a set as well. The rest of the entries are dominated by this few franchise and IP. First with the Goonies, which is something that is probably not very familiar with the Asian market. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which has come up with which LEGO has come up with many sets in the previous round, which honestly I wouldn't see to be made into this challenge or being selected for this round, since it has been made into sets previously. There's also a lot of ET sets being submitted, as well as Smurfs. One of the TV drama, the Brew Brothers, do enjoy a lot of entries being made, especially the iconic cars as well, and Magnum PI together with the Ferrari. Last but not least, there's also the My Neighbor Totoro, which is a very popular Japanese anime, and it's being a lot of projects are being made into this challenge. So if you have some time to take a look at the challenge, and I wish all the best for all the entries, and congrats in advance for the 5 entries that make it to the final round.